I discovered something crucial along the way. Your background or current circumstances don't dictate your future. The one thing that separates those who succeed from those who don't is effort. You may feel out of place now, but remember, you are meant for greatness. You are destined for more than mediocrity. It's time to rise above and stop settling for less than what you deserve. Embrace your potential and live up to it. You have a role to play, and it's time to start acting like it. You are capable of achieving extraordinary things. You just need to tap into your inner strength and determination. To achieve your dreams, you must embody a relentless, unstoppable spirit. You need to adopt a mindset where failure is not an option. Every action you take should scream determination and commitment. No more hesitating or looking for shortcuts. It's time to focus on what truly matters and give it your all. How badly do you want success? Are you willing to sacrifice, to push yourself beyond your limits? The most successful people are the ones who refuse to give up, no matter how many times they fall. Take inspiration from those who have overcome adversity and achieved greatness. Michael Jordan once said, "I've failed over and over again in my life, and that's why I succeed." Let that resonate with you as you step forward. No more settling for anything less than your best. Aim for excellence in everything you do. If you're at 80%, push yourself to 90%. Strive for that extra effort, that extra dedication, because that's what separates the good from the great. It's time to unleash your full potential and make every moment count towards your success. Bring all the energy, all the passion together and dominate. Life unfolds with plans and visions, hoping for perfection. But often life throws curveballs, and it's in those moments you define your path. You have a choice: react rightly or wrongly. Tempted to lie down and wait it out? That's a cycle of defeat. You must rise. Knock down hard, see the blood. Sometimes you have to hit back. Recycle your pain. Transform it. Let it propel you to greatness. What's your why? Your reason to get up when everything says stay down. Family, dreams, pushing beyond limits. It's inside you. Stop looking outside for what's within. Be your own superhero. Be the best version of yourself, persevering through the trials, refusing to quit. Don't dwell on setbacks. It's not your fault you got knocked down, but getting back up is entirely up to you. Promise me from today you won't be defeated. Stop asking, why me? Embrace challenges, they forge greatness. As long as you wake up, you're in the game, still breathing, still capable. Get up, stop overthinking, keep moving forward. The only way to lose is to quit. Get emotional, cry if you must, but set a time limit. Afterward, rise stronger. Every time you face a challenge, you stop and switch off your beast mode. But I'm here to tell you that if you stand your ground, determined to achieve your goal, you will succeed. Tell that challenge, I'm here to stay, and promise yourself that you won't leave without that degree, that goal, that dream. Refuse to quit until you've achieved success. Will you let your pain break you or redefine you? If you remain in bed, stay on the couch, or stick to your comfort zone, doing only what's easy, your life will be hard. But if you tackle the tough tasks, rise early, grind relentlessly, and outwork everyone else, your life will become easier. Easy choices don't pay well. Choose the hard path, the path of responsibility, hard work, and sacrifice that ultimately leads to freedom. Too tired, too hungry, too sore, too hot, too cold, or too whatever, these are just excuses.